Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Well, that's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. Well, that's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
I can't tell you what it really is, I can only tell you what it feels like. And right now it's a steel knife in my windpipe. I can't breathe but I still fight, while I can fight. As long as the wrong feels right, it's like I'm in flight. High off of love, drunk from my hate, it's like I'm huffing pain. I love her the more I suffer, I suffocate. Right before I'm about to drown, she resuscitates me. She fucking hates me, and I love it. Wait, where you going? I'm leaving you. No, you ain't come back, we're running right back. Here we go again, it's so insane, cause when it's going good, it's going great. I'm Superman with the wind in his back. She's Lois Lane, but when it's bad, it's awful. I feel so ashamed, I snap, who's that dude? I don't even know his name, I laid hands on him. I never stoop so low again, I guess I don't know my own strength.
Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. But that's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
You ever love somebody so much you can barely breathe when you're with them? You meet and neither one of you even know it hit them. Got that warm fuzzy feeling, yeah, them chills used to get them. Now you're getting fucking sick of looking at them. You swore you'd never hit them, never do nothing to hurt them. Now you're in each other's face, spewing venom in your words when you spit them. You push, pull each other's hair, scratch, claw, pit them, throw them down, pin them. So lost in the moments when you're in them, it's the race that's a cold break, controls your boat. So they say it best to go your separate ways. Guess that they don't know you, cause today, that was yesterday. Yesterday is over, it's a different day. Sound like broken records playing over, but you promised her next time you'll show restraint. You don't get another chance, life is no Nintendo game, but you lied again. Now you get to watch her leave out the window, guess that's why they call it window pane.
Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. But that's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
Now I know we said things, did things that we didn't mean, and we fall back into the same patterns, same routine, but your temper's just as bad as mine is. You're the same as me, when it comes to love, you're just as blinded. Baby, please come back, it wasn't you, baby, it was me. Maybe our relationship isn't as crazy as it seems. Maybe that's what happens when a tornado meets a volcano. All I know is I love you too much to walk away though. Come inside, pick up your bags off the sidewalk. Don't you hear sincerity in my voice when I talk? Told you this is my fault, look me in the eyeball. Next time I'm pissed, I'll aim my fist at the drywall. Next time, there will be no next time. I apologize even though I know it's lies. I'm tired of the games, I just want her back. I know I'm alive, if she ever tries to fucking...
No problema.
Sí, calla, calla, que no te escuado.
Soc poc per a vos.
Però a mi també és important.
Per a vos,
No es pot fer bé.
per a vos,
No es pot fer gran.
per a vos sí, però no podem oblidar-ho. Només soc el cavallet del missatger del rei. Soc poc per a vos.
Tu vas cap als 40.
Només soc el missatger del rei. Soc poc per a vos.
Per a mi també és important.
Per a vos sí, però no podem oblidar-ho. Som de diferents classes socials. Som de diferents mons. I sempre sortirà un cavaller, o que sigui, i per raons d'estat, us farà la vostra esposa.
Però no sé què.
És igual, Marisol, no passa res.
Serà la vostra.
Punxo.
Vos ho heu dit, cavaller. Sempre procuro complir la meva paraula. Per tant, parlant en nom meu i en el del meu poble, puc garantir que sabrem ser fidels i agraïts eternament al qui ens ha protegit del mal que ens afligia.
Molt bé!
Veritat, poble estimat, que puc garantir al cavaller Jordi de Capadòcia que tots nosaltres sabrem ser fidels a tot el que ell ens pugui demanar?
donar la benvinguda al nostre rei i senyor Pere de Puigverd. Avui és un dia de gran celebració i alegria. Però no hem d'oblidar quins temps corren en les terres del nostre Senyor. Ell ens fica sempre a prova per comprovar si portem una vida justa, cristiana i honrada com ha de ser. També és aquest el motiu de la meva visita. Germans, germanes, tinc rumors de que el dimoni és present en aquesta vila. Segons m'informen els meus inquisidors, em diuen que deixen els nostres ramats i cultius. I fins i tot practica amb els nostres familiars i amics encanteris magianers. Però, germans,
Que comencin les ofrenes del poble al nostre rei Pere de Puigverd. Que s'iniciïn els balls reials per ses majestats els reis.
Vilatans i vilatans, dames i cavallers, estimats súbdits meus, gent vinguda de totes les contrades. Ben cert és el que ens explicava el nostre estimat bisbe quan ens deia que en aquest país estan succeint una sèrie d'esdeveniments que sembren fruit del diable. Però vull que sapigueu que el vostre rei farà tot el possible per evitar més saquejos indiscriminats i sangries humanes en aquesta terra nostra. I perquè veieu que no us tinc abandonats, he enviat el meu exèrcit de Lleida perquè vingui aquí i faci front a la bèstia endimoniada. I perquè veieu que la meva benevolència és infinita, jo, Pere IV, rei per Ponyo Viride, nombraré cavaller als homes del drac, no, als homes que lluitin i facin front a aquesta bèstia endimoniada. Roger Pont-roig, acceptes el càrrec de cavaller de la cort reial i complir amb tots els preceptes que es presentis al final. Acceptes vetllar per la seguretat dels nostres ciutadans i combatre el mal que ens té atemorits? Ho acceptes i ho jures pel teu honor?
Sí, ho accepto i ho juro pel meu honor.
Roger Pont-roig, quedes nomenat cavaller de Ponyo Viride. Compleix el teu pacte i la glòria eterna et serà entregada. Aixeca't com a cavaller.
Es dona per acabada la cerimònia reial. Tot seguit tindrà lloc la gran missa major a l'interior de l'església. Que tinguin un bon dia i gaudiu del mercat medieval.